Hi, what up guys, and welcome back. And in today's video, we are going to focus on the featured products in WooCommerce e-commerce websites. So with that, what is really a featured product? Featured products is this thing you see here. We recommend all these 4 products here are called featured products. And you can also see it here in the sidebar when you go to your shop page. Then you will see the featured products here with the button shop now. And you see another one I added under here, the belt with the button also. So the importance of featured product is sometimes, okay, let's say you import or you produce different types of products, and in this time around you produce or imported a new type of product, and for that you want to make it a featured product, and you want that anybody who comes to your website, any customer that comes to your website, you want to showcase that particular product, or maybe simply because that product sells a lot and also you make a lot of gain from it, but for whatever reason you want to showcase this product on whoever that comes to your website, and you want that every customer that comes to your website should just have a notice of it by placing it by the sidebar here in your shop page and also here in your home page as a recommended product. And for that, I will assume that you have logged on to your WordPress dashboard. And if you have done so, navigate down with me to products and click on all products. Now, to make a product a featured product is, let's say among your products, all these products you have here, that let's say you want to make this one a featured product, this t-shirt with logo, for example. So all you need to do is just to come here and click on this star. Then this product is now made a featured product. So for example, let me show you how it looks when you go to your website now that we have enabled only one. Let's go back to our website. Now go to your home page, scroll down. Now you will see it here. We recommend. That is why this one displays here. That is the featured product. So now if you go back and enable more, let's say you come down to select hoodie with zipper, you click on the star, go back to your website again, refresh this browser, you will see it has displayed here. Then with that, you can go back again and enable as many as you want. So in this case, maybe I'm going to enable this one and enable logo collection here, for example. Then we have enabled 4. Then now with that, let's go back to our website, refresh this page, you will see the 4 of them here. So that is a featured product. So now that you have known how to implement it into your homepage, then let's go back and see how to feature it in the sidebar of our WooCommerce website. So back here, so for us to implement it in the sidebar, so from here in the dashboard, we go down to appearance and click on customize. Now come down and click on widgets, and now click on sidebar. You can click here on got it to close this. So now it's either you click on this plus sign or you come down here and click on this plus sign to add a block. Then now search for featured products. This is it. Just select it. Then from here in the search input, you can search for a product to display as a featured product. You can select a different type of product that is different from these ones you have here, or you can choose the same featured product. So for that, I search for belt, for example. Then I select it as a featured product and click on done. So with that, you can see the featured product here. Now you can add another featured product if you want to by coming down here and click on this and search for another featured product. Then select another featured product. Let's say, so this time around, maybe you want to search for hoodie. Say hoodie. This is it. Then let's say hoodie with logo. Just select it and come down and click on done. Then you will see it displayed here as a featured product. Let's say, for example, that you don't like the fact that this one is under this one here. And for that, you want to bring it up and place it, let's say, somewhere here. So to do that, you come down, let's say, maybe this one. You click on it, then you will see this choose icon. Then just click on it like this and drag it to place it wherever you want it to be. Let's say under this one, you leave it, then you will see it there. So for that, if you click on publish now, then go back to your website and go to your shop page. Now you will see the featured product here, just as you can see with the button shop now. So, and with that, that brings us to the end of this video on how to enable a featured product on your WooCommerce e-commerce WooCommerce websites. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next videos. And if this is helpful, please drop a comment, like and share this video. Follow me and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.